Hey y'all, so today we're making like a milk thing, and then I'm just like building this, so I'm just making this. I'm gonna speed up the process really quick, so y'all don't worry, I'm just gonna like speed up the process really quick. I'm gonna pause this for a bit. I'll be back in a minute or two. Okay y'all, so I'm done with this. I'm gonna leave this here. I also got a special spoon, by the way. I don't know why it helps. Okay, now I'm going to assemble. So for this to be easier, I'm just gonna like pour the milk here and then bring it over here. Actually, I have an idea. What if we just like bring the ingredients over here real quick? I'm gonna speed this process up here back. So y'all, I just like move these and I'm gonna get some like milk. Cause it's not a milkshake. How do I describe it? It's like something like, it's like milk based, but with like other toppings in it. Okay, so I'm gonna like put this against here. Let's pour the milk here. So I'm gonna put this like cup. Cause we don't have any fancy cups at home. Oh, good. We got these like things. Oh, yeah, what? It tastes good. Okay. Let's pour the milk. Like you've never before. Okay, this is good. Or 6 gonna up. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, like. So I don't want to spill. Oh, got it. Okay, y'all. Now I'm gonna put in the toppings. Shoot. Okay, I'm gonna put this into the blender. So I'm gonna put in some like maple syrup. Oh, wrong way. Whoopsie daisies. It's like putting. Ooh. Let's like mix this, and I'm gonna get a spoon. I guess a spoon. Okay. I'm gonna see how this taste at the end. Yeah, I'm gonna taste it. It has some sweet, but it is like more. Yeah, this is good. Okay. There's gonna be nothing left. Okay, so I mixed all the maple syrup in. Now, wow, that's delish. Okay, so now I'm gonna do some like assembling. First, let's get like the little like bear honey bear cup. It's like I've been seeing viral like Starbucks things with like the bear cup. So this is a bear cup honey. It's like the only honey we have. And I don't want to use the big jar one, so this is bear honey. Okay. Wait, I better take this out. Shoot, where do I put this? I'll just leave it right here. Okay, nothing about it. Okay. Let's like pour this. Oh shoot. Actually kind of looks pretty, but oh, I just realized the thing sinks, so it doesn't come up to the surface. It just sinks. I got a big spoon, but so I'm just gonna mix this, and then I'm gonna add like sprinkles for the. Okay, I'm just gonna like keep this up here. I know it's gonna be so mad at me, girl, but it's for you guys. So. Okay, let's like shoot. I'm gonna like this. Sorry, Mom. Okay, y'all. So I got this like spoon. I don't know why this spoon like helps, and so I'm just gonna like take off because I'm making like a chocolate milkshake thing. Love, but yeah, I honestly think you guys should try it. It's really simple. All you guys really need is, I wouldn't recommend using honey because I don't like how it comes up. But what I would recommend, if you want honey, you can use it. But what I'm using now is just maple syrup, sprinkles, chocolate, and milk. It's actually not a very complicated recipe. Some people may think it is. Oh my god. Guys, that looks like hot chocolate, you know? Like, not when it's like completely formed, but when you add in like a little bit of mix, and then it just looks like amazing. And so you start adding more. It's like that phase. Except I am already dumping more. Okay. I'm like dumping gallons. I don't want to destroy this masterpiece, but I'm drinking it for the gator cause. Okay, let's like, let's. This is actually been really good so far. I cannot imagine how it'll look like. I'm gonna add in some more maple syrup real quick to get like that stickiness. And yeah. So y'all, this is turning out, gosh, great. Now, actually I don't want to add eggs. I'm just gonna go straight for the sprinkles. I'm using pink favorite day sugar. It's like the only sugar we have. So we have at home. It's my friend used up the golden sprinkles to come up with. It's my friend Aditi. You saw her in the other video. Oh my god. Guys, wait, you guys gotta see this. I'm just gonna add a bit of sugar. Oh my gosh, you guys gotta see this. Look at that, like, perfect. Okay. I am going to drink, and then I'm gonna clean up. And actually, I'm gonna clean up real quick. It's not really that long. I'm just going to throw this in here, and I'll be right back, y'all. I'm gonna pause this video. I wish it was just at 7-Eleven. Cool, right? Okay, y'all. So I just went and cleaned up, and now I'm gonna drink this. Gosh, you guys, I'm gonna give you guys one last look because this looks great, but I don't want to. So this is the drink I'm going to be drinking. This is the underside look. I think it looks really good. I might make this again. Zooming in, look at that. Wait, this zoom is actually good. I'm not even that close. Look, that's like, to be honest, it kind of reminds me of like crystals and like rocks. You see, like this looks like rocks. The pink looks like crystals, so it's like sand or like crystals. I'm gonna give you guys one really close up look. Look at that. It looks like rocky crystals right here. So this is the pattern. Now I'm gonna destroy it. 1, 2, 2, 3. This look, it's gonna be destroyed. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna mix it up real quick. Y'all. What? Even without this thing, it is like beneficial. Got to try this, y'all. Okay, so I poured a bit of maple syrup in before, but I like didn't stay at the surface, but it definitely like sweetens and completes it. You guys got to try. Look, you guys like gotta try this. Delicious. It's a bit sweet though, so maybe I'm gonna give it like 6.7 out of 10. 6, but it's great, so I'll give it 6.7 out of 10. Bye guys.